Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, let me say it first na kung ano man ang kulay ng balat mo ngayon, if you're loving it, you're happy, and you're contented with it, saludo po kami sa inyo. But of course, again, may mga kaibigan pa rin tayo na they feel really confident kapag yung skin nila is glowing and it's white. So for those who are into that kind of preference, isang option po sa inyo ang gusto namin ipakilala sa inyo. This is Y.S.A's Natural Whitening Soap. Yung soap component lamang po nito ang chemical dito. The rest are all natural and food-based. Ganun po ka-natural yung mga ingredients natin dito. Now, if you notice, sa packaging pa lang niya, talagang gusto niya na all natural yung kanilang mga product. Cause gumamit po sila ng mga ecological materials. As well as yung fragrance natin, yung scent natin dito, kung ano yung fragrance ng carrots and lemon. So they didn't add any scent or any artificial perfumes para bumango yung sabon natin. So again, they left it as is. And good thing, isa sa mga nagustuhan ng mga client ni Y.S.A's Corner, ang bango nga naman niya. It's almost air deodorizer nga siya kapag naiwan siya sa bathroom or kung sa mga faucet and sink. So ang bango talaga ng product natin na ito. Now, when you use it, dun sa texture pa lang ng soap natin, you can actually feel na it's all natural. Hindi siya ganun katigas comparing it with the other commercialized whitening soap. And notice, ang kulay ng soap natin ay parang dark yellow. So again, they retain to what is the natural color ng mga ingredients natin dito. No additional coloring included for it to retain yung all natural ingredient natin for this one. Now, the way you use it, you apply it sa skin, instantly you're gonna see the difference kung saan mo siya in-apply. For example, sa face, sa neck, sa mga braso din, ganyan. This is a whole body soap na pwedeng gamitin ng mga 2 years old and above na kids, mga breastfeeding moms, as well as mga pregnant ladies natin dyan. They can actually use this because, again, it's all natural. Alright, so let's talk about its affordability. Actually, if you compare it with the other commercialized soap, this is one of the most affordable that you will get. Na hindi kailangan gumastos ng malaki para lamang ma-achieve natin yung whiteness na desire natin for our skin. Not everyone has the time for a really makeover. So sabon lang guys, pwedeng-pwede na siya. This also recommended sa mga males and dads na konti lang yung panahon para ma-visit ang clinic, mga skin clinic for their pampering time. Alright, so ayun guys, if you're interested to check this out, make sure to call the numbers we're gonna be providing below or the fan page we're including. This is very perfect fit for this coming holiday, so consider this as one of your giveaways and gifts para sa mga girlfriend ninyo or even your wife or even your partner, di ba? So this is Y.S.A Natural Whitening Soap. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Support local. Peace out. Bye guys.